As the sun rises over the heartland, the vast fields of corn awaken, providing for the nation. As the golden hour bathes the fields in warm light, it signals that the harvest is finally ready. The golden hour marks the start of the corn harvest. John ensures the combine is ready for the demanding work ahead.
Keep it straight, watch the clearance. Roger that. And hold it right there, looks good.
Maintaining steady flow, hoppers are clear.
We're showing a slight pressure drop here.
Ramping it back up to spec.
Here we see the dust extraction unit working at peak efficiency, ensuring only the cleanest grain moves forward.
The flow rate on the corn flour looks stable now. Yeah.
Yes, the adjustment worked. Let's monitor the next batch.
The extruder die precisely forms each snack. Our team carefully monitors the line, ensuring every piece.
The cooling zone is critical, where precise airflow stabilizes the texture of the freshly cooked snacks before they move on to seasoning.
Looks like the flow rate is steady now.
Yes, we are maintaining optimal coverage across the batch.
The coverage on the lower half needs adjustment.
It looks consistent now. We are good to go.
A uniform stream of perfectly seasoned snacks.
The printed film is smoothly unwound and shaped around the forming collar before the vertical seal bar creates a perfect seam. The stainless steel hopper ensures a steady flow of snacks to the multi-head weigher, guaranteeing precise portions downstream.
In modern food production, safety is paramount. This inspection tunnel ensures every sealed bag meets
Ensuring precision, the inline check weigher confirms each bag's weight. When the digital display
The automated packer precisely arranges the bags into groups before sliding them neatly into the passing cartons. Alignment looks good on this batch. Confirmed, moving to sealing.
The folding arms and sealing heads work in precise synchronization, automatically applying tape to secure the boxes for shipment. This state-of-the-art labeling system applies a crisp, verifiable barcode to every carton.
The alignment is holding steady.
Yeah, the new calibration really paid off. We should hit target output easily.
And so the journey begins. A fresh batch of corn snacks, en route from the silo to your local supermarket shelves.